Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, karibu sana and let's make the most delicious mbuzi dry fry. The recipe is quite simple and you can pair this with ugali and kachumbari. This meal is often served at lunch or dinner time. Let's make it. I'm using half a kg of goat meat which is already chopped and thoroughly washed. I'm going to season the meat with 2 Royco cube seasoning and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of water, cover and boil till the water is dry. Once my meat is cooked, I'm going to add some oil and fry until golden brown. Can you imagine that this is half a kg of meat? I'm wondering what is not going on. Nowadays it's easier to eat chicken meat than to eat beef or goat meat. Even the pork is expensive. At this point I have to be working with my weighing scale. So if I catch you, if you say this is 1 kg and my scale says it's 3/4, I'm not going to buy because what the hell? Don't mind me, I was just thinking loud. So once my meat is golden brown, I will add 1 medium-sized sliced onion and cook till translucent. Then I will add 1 green bell pepper. Feel free to add any veggies of choice. So I'm going to sprinkle some salt for the veggies, just a pinch of salt, but once everything is settled, the veggies will soak all the flavors from the meat. And now our food is ready to be served, but I'm going to garnish with green spring onion. It gives your food a lot of flavor and aroma. This meal was so delicious and my son really loved it. I guess we're going to make it thrice a week from now on. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care, enjoy, bye.